A lot of people probably think everybody online, they have instant success, overnight success. Well, guess what? This right here, this is not the case. This is almost a whole entire year of hard work, posting every single day for my business, growing it, scaling it every single day, running ads, networking, all that. There's a lot of hard work that goes into this. It's not as soon as you launch your brand, as soon as you launch your e-commerce website, boom, a whole bunch of orders. That is not the case. I wish it was the case, but if you just put in that hard work, grind every single day, you could have as many orders as me. But I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this clip once all these finish printing. Look at that, we are still going. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say, with enough hard work, you guys can achieve anything in this world that you want to do. Go to the moon, make $1 million in sales in 1 month. Anything that you want to do, you can do it. You just need to put in that hard work, grind, stay focused. Motivation is fake. You need to be disciplined. With those principles right there, you can achieve anything. Just put your mind to it, stay laser focused, and just every day, get up, work, late nights, keep grinding. Me and you, we're the exact same person. The only difference is the amount of effort that I put in, or the amount of effort that we put in every single day into what we have going on. Whether that's in school, sports, YouTube, anything. Put in that work, you're gonna be at the top. Simple. Look, I was once in your position, and guess what? I had no money to start a business. Through these past, 2 to 3 years, it is constantly grinding, reinvesting. A lot of L's. Like, I'm talking about a lot of L's, a lot of lessons along the way. It has put me in this position, which I am in right now. What I wanna do over the next few years, I still wanna continue, but I'm probably take this off. I don't wanna leak their address. I just want to come on YouTube now. My main goal is to share my journey throughout the years. You guys can still see the come up of Cali the Kid from high school all the way to early 20s. So make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on my journey, because I will be sharing all my advice that I do learn. But my main goal is to put everybody on the sauce, because I know my audience mostly teenagers that are trying to learn how to get some motion without working at a regular 9 to 5 like McDonald's or any other fast food restaurant like that, Foot Locker, Foot Action. You guys don't want to work that. You're trying to make some money on your own, so I applaud you for that. But anyways, let's get into the first thing. First, I'm gonna start off some things that you should not do when you first start out. You have no money and you're a beginner. First thing, of course, real estate. Come on now, you need, like, I don't care what anybody says on the internet. They're talking about you don't have to put any money down to get a property. That's cap. You need money. Or them people that say they don't have to put nothing down, guess what? They know somebody. So if you don't know nobody, or if you don't have cash, plus you're not even competing against, let's just say Jacob and Sarah. Nah, you're not competing against them no more. You're competing against banks, institutions. They buying out the whole entire street. So just keep that in mind. Real estate, definitely not beginner friendly. Anyways, let's move on to the second thing, and that is crypto. I really do not recommend you start off with crypto. Guess what? You could put 500 in. You're all the way down here, right? And then boom, the coin skyrockets in value. You're one of the last people to get out. You take a huge amount of profit. Let's just say you 100x that. Guess what? 500 times 100. Guess what that equals? 50,000. But after you get that 50,000, guess what? You're basically like a lottery winner. You get the money, but you're not gonna make no more. You don't have a skill set, so how you gonna keep making money? But I'm just talking about the people who get lucky and make boom $50,000. They put in 500, they make 50,000, they make 100,000, whatever. So those are just the two things right there that I recommend you guys stay away from. If you have less than $500 in your bank account, $1,000 less, whatever, that's not beginner friendly. So you have been warned. All right, with that out the way, let's get into making you guys some real money. What I see a lot of people doing is they do pre-order drops. So what a pre-order is, you might be like, what is a pre-order drop? What is that? So it's mainly popular in the clothing brand niche. They'll make the mock-ups, right? They'll do all that and then post it, market it on social media, run ads, whatever they gotta do to build the hype up, and then they'll open up their site. They'll get the orders in, right? If you read the description, if you read the fine print, it'll definitely say please allow 2 to 4 weeks for shipping or whatever, or production, whatever they'll say right there. If they don't say that, that's a bad business right there. They should always say that if they're running pre-orders. But always, if you guys are gonna do pre-orders, always make it super duper clear that you are running pre-order drops, that it will take a while for them to get their order or for it to start trekking. Do not open up your site, let the sales come in, and just that's how you get.
Here's what I found.
What the? That's how you get one-time customers. What you want for a business, you want repeating customers that keep on spending money and over and over and over again. Pre-order, you get the money, you market it, you get the mock-ups, little design, whatever, on your little iPad, get the sales, and then once you get the sales, you close your site, you say thank you for all the orders, production will begin now or tomorrow or in a week, whatever your manufacturer says. Boom, you'll see how many orders you got. You'll be like, oh, I got 5 orders in the size small, 5 orders in the size medium, 10 orders in the size extra small, small. So then you go to your manufacturer and say, boom, I need 5 medium, 5 small, 5 largest, whatever. So you'll know how many to get, so you're not like guessing. Because let's just say you don't want to pre-order, you drop 50 hoodies, guess what, only 2 sell. So now you see what I'm saying. Also, a pre-order is good if you do not have any capital to start off with buying inventory. But what I do recommend you guys do, as soon as you get some money, stop running pre-orders, because guess what, you are in a day and age where you're competing with Amazon shipping times. So definitely just be careful with pre-orders. We're definitely gonna have a lot of angry, upset customers. Some reason people just don't understand. They just don't read. Like, they just click buy. They're not reading. They're not doing nothing, and they want to get mad at you because they didn't read. But definitely just be careful with running pre-orders. But that is a really, really excellent way to start if you do not have any capital to buy inventory up front. Which I'm not saying drop ship. Do not drop ship. Please do not drop ship, because then you're gonna have 2 to 4 week waiting time for every single order. We're not doing drop shipping in 2023, guys. Like, we're not. That's over with. Definitely write that down. Number 1, run pre-order drops for whatever business you got going on. Candles, clothing, what else? Like appliances, whatever. Run pre-order drops. Go ahead and get them initial orders in, so you know how many for your manufacturer to make. Once you get them pre-order drops in, the money will go to your bank account, and then you have enough money to buy the inventory, get it to your house, and then ship it out. Let's get to the second thing. So you guys are probably like, I bought that and I got scammed. That is starting a course. But wait. Hear me out. Do not start a course if you are not good at something. I don't want to see little Timmy starting a course on how to drop ship. He's only been drop shipping for 3 months. I do not want to see that. That's not what I'm telling you guys. If you are an expert at something, start a course. If you have like a little bit of following, even better. But you need to be an expert. Like, I'm talking about expert. You need to know the ins, outs. You need to be doing it for a while to start a course. Like, I'm not telling you to go start a course just because you want to make some more money. No, we're not doing that. If you want to start a course, you need to be really, really serious about it. Do not lollygag with it, because people will get really, really upset with you if you do not deliver of what you said. Because a lot of people selling the course, they'll build the hype up. Boom, you getting this. When you actually join the course, you're only getting this right here. So definitely be careful with that, because if you do not, that will definitely hurt your reputation, your image. But I definitely do recommend starting a course, because guess what it costs? $3.99. Only like a few startup costs, like what? Let's just say $15 for your like domain link, whatever, to make your little website so people can buy the course. Discord server, I'm pretty sure that's free to make. But other than that, it's really like low. It's super duper low startup cost to start selling a course. Also, what you guys can do is be a tutor. Same thing with a course, but this time you just don't have a website and all the Discord server and all that. But you can be a tutor at your school. Ask your friend, hey, you need help with this? You need help with that? Ask your friend's parents, you need help with this? Because a lot of people, they need help with math homework. So if you're good at math, easy money. Today in class, my teacher just told me, I don't know what this kid was doing, but she said like a few years ago, she had a student that was making what, like $400 a week, helping people off like cheat on their math homework, whatever. I don't know what he was doing, but he was basically helping people cheat and get 100% on all their math assignments. Like, there's so many ways to make money out here. Do not be confined all the way down to like this. There's like so many ways. With that story being said, see, people need help with math homework, especially if you're in high school or college, especially high school. Look, somebody came up to me, say, hey, I'll do your math homework for what, $20 a week, and I'm guaranteed to get 100% on all assignments. Dude, go ahead, I'll pay you. No questions asked, dog. Like, you got that. So definitely just find a problem that people need help with. Basketball trainer. Also, what you guys can be, basketball trainer, fitness coach, whatever. Fitness coach, fitness trainer. People always need them. Like, for real, people always need a basketball coach, basketball trainer, fitness trainer, gym, like, they need something. Manager, like, whatever, bro. If you're good at time management, find an influencer. Say, hey, I can manage your posting schedule. You need to be posting at this time. You need to be doing this at this time. Like, there's so many ways. Use your knowledge. If you're good at something, find a way to monetize it. Go DM people, hey, I got this right here. I'm good at this. I can help you break down your YouTube videos down in little short 10-second clips for TikTok, which I do need somebody who could do that for me. So if you know somebody, or if you are that person that can do that, hit me up on IG, Kylie the Kid, right here, or it's actually right there. Or right there, whatever side is on. But just go hit me up, because I do need somebody to break down my YouTube videos into short form TikTok content or Instagram reel content. So please, if you can do that for me, I'll definitely be willing to pay you. So just let me know. But as you can see right there, just find something. Content creators, dude, just look outside the box. Content creators, they need help. Business especially, they need help. Every single business, dude, every single business out there. Is somebody offering me, hey, I can do your SMS emails for you, I can do your email marketing for you, or I can take care of your ads, I can take care of your inventory management, just like whatever. I'll be like, yes, dude, here, take my money, here, no questions asked. Like, just think outside the box. Think of clothing brand owner. You don't want to be a clothing brand owner. You want to be, hey, I could do the designs for you, because guess what? go on your computer, go on your iPad, dude, just go design. If you're good at designing stuff, go make pieces for the clothing brand owner. Dude, they'll easily pay you $1,000, $500 for your design if it's good enough. So you gotta think outside the box. I hope what I just said inspired you, because guess what? Most of them ideas definitely have under $500 startup costs. Some of them even free. Do what you gotta do to get that initial what? $100, $500. Take that money, invest it into your startup costs, and then scale and grow from there. And come back. Don't forget to thank me. Do what you gotta do. Go sell some candy at school. Like, I know you have some money. Go in your house, find something to sell on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, Poshmark. Dude, sell it. Take that $50, take that $100, take that $200, whatever you have from that. Invest it into your startup costs, grow and scale from there every single day. Just start. I don't want to hear no more excuses from you guys. I'm giving you so much like sauce, advice, knowledge for the free and all my videos. So please take your notepad, start jotting down ideas of what you want to do to start. Dude, if you have any questions, go comment down below. I'll probably look at them. I'll probably respond. Because guess what? You watch my videos from 7 in the morning to like 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm at school. So I'll probably respond to you because I'm bored sitting in class. If I have service though, because my service be kind of like weak at school, but you'll get it, right? But if you want to make this work out, you got to put in that effort. You got to put in that first step, because nobody's going to do it for you. You never start. Guess what? Good ass quote right here. It's either day one or one day. So just keep that in mind. Also, here is the last thing right here. We have affiliate marketing. So if you are on TikTok, I'm pretty sure you'll be seeing the TikTok shop available for commission or earn commission, whatever it is. Guess what? That's affiliate marketing. So what you're basically doing is a brand like me, I'll reach out. Dang, I do not, bro, Abby, give me my chain back. All right, so I sell my clear chains. I just reached for it. I thought I had it on, but I forgot. I gave it to her. But anyways, all right, these chains right here. You see it right here? Like a little x-ray chain. Guess what? So I'm a business owner. I want to see how can I get more sales for my products. I'll hire somebody to be an affiliate marketer for me. So guess what? They go on their TikTok. Also, what I forgot to mention, to be an affiliate marketer, it's best to have already a following. It would just be so much easier. Like, especially on TikTok, it's so easy to grow a following on TikTok. So I'll probably reach out to an influencer on TikTok that is in my niche. So let's just say the fashion niche. The get ready with me is the outfit of the day. Every single time that code back to school gets used, you earn a commission for every single sale. Or you can reach out to brand owners and be like, hey, send me your product in. I'll make videos. Give me a code. Every time that code is used, can I get like $5 for it or $10? So really it's about trust. You gotta trust that brand owner or the business owner is actually gonna pay you, and he has to trust that you're not gonna take his product and just dip. But affiliate marketing is a really great way to make money if you already do have a really big following and you're trying to find a way to monetize it. Also, what I just thought of is that you can grow like a niche Instagram page. I'm not sure how much money you can make off of it now, but I'm pretty sure back then when Instagram was just started off, you can make a lot of money. But also you could grow an Instagram page, let's say a Porsche page full of just like Porsches. You can do a landscape page. There's like a bunch of just like landscape. So just grow it up. Little lifestyle pages that you'll be seeing on TikTok and Instagram, grow it up, and then you could probably sell that and make like $50. So that is also something that you probably can do if you do have a lot of free time. Also, what I just realized is that if you guys do follow like really big fashion influencers, a lot of them are doing, it's nothing new, but a lot of them are doing story promos. So that's also a really good way. It's really super duper simple to do. Go on Instagram, hey, post, I'm doing a story promo, $20, $50, whatever your price is. And then be like, 24 hours, show how many story views you get so people will know. And then, yeah, just telling people you can get to buy it. So there's also another way to make a little bit of extra money on the side. Of course, you don't want to do that too much, because then people are not going to buy. They're going to unfollow you because all you're posting is story promo every single day. So probably just do that once every month or twice every month. Nothing too crazy. Don't spam it. Do not abuse it, because then you're gonna lose followers. So if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments section down below. Also, go comment any questions that you guys have, and I will try my best to answer every single question. I appreciate y'all for watching all the way through, and let me know also what's the best advice in this video. Also, if you want to go watch more videos of mine on other ways to make money, how to market your clothing brand, and go check out my other videos. Also, thank you guys, because my first video just hit 100,000 views, so I really do appreciate that. Also, at the time of recording, we're at 7,000 subscribers. It is Wednesday, August 23rd. It is 4:08 p.m. So by the time I get this video posted, hopefully we are at 7.5 or 8,000 subscribers. So keep showing love. I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Oh man, that is a lot of orders. All right, so as you can see, here are all the orders right here. I know that is a lot of orders. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has been supporting our business. As you see, here it is right here. Grow Locker. It will be in the bottom of the video, so if you do want to go support, it's right there.